Good afternoon. I'm Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley with another COVID-19 update for our community. As your sheriff, my top concern is protecting the residents and visitors of Flagler County. Our team is continually in contact with Flagler County Emergency Services and staying up to date on the latest recommendations from the Florida Department of Health on COVID-19. The enforcement and protocols at the Sheriff's Office have not changed. Deputies will respond to calls for service and are equipped with the resources to protect themselves should they need it. If you see something suspicious, call 911. However, if you are the victim of a certain crime, your call for service may be handled by a deputy over the phone instead of in person. Due to the recommendations to limit group gatherings of more than 10 people, the Sheriff's Office has canceled or postponed all public events through April 2020. This includes the Safety Expo, Women's Health Defense classes, Neighborhood Watch meetings, Realtor Safety meetings, Active Assailant, and many PAL events. We are exploring virtual options should these restrictions last past April. As of this morning, there are 192 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Florida. The Flagler County Health Department advises that as of this morning, there are no confirmed cases involving Flagler County residents. However, the local health department is monitoring 6 residents. 3 have already been tested and the results were negative. The health department has not released any names. If you develop symptoms, contact your healthcare provider and the Florida Department of Health at 386-437-7350. The most common symptoms are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. The National Coronavirus Call Center can be contacted at 1-866-779-6121 or visit the website on the screen. The President's press conference on Monday afternoon implored citizens to take this event seriously and do your part to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Even if you are young and healthy, you are at risk and can pose a risk to others if you contract the virus. The President has urged citizens to avoid social gatherings of 10 or more people and avoid unnecessary travel. Do not visit nursing homes or retirement facilities. Moreover, continue to practice good hygiene by washing your hands, sneezing or coughing into your elbow, and disinfecting items and surfaces as often as possible. The President also issued a coronavirus guideline for America called 15 Days to Slow the Spread. You can help by, number 1, if you feel sick, stay home. Do not go to work. Contact your medical provider. Number 2, if your children are sick, keep them at home. Do not send them to school, and contact your medical provider. Currently, all Flagler schools are closed through March 30th. Number 3, if someone in your household is tested positive for the coronavirus, keep the entire household at home. Do not go to work. Do not go to school. Contact your medical provider. Number 4, if you are an older person, stay home and away from other people. Number 5, if you are a person with a serious underlying health condition, such as an illness that impairs your lung or heart function, or that weakens your immune system, you can be at increased risk. You should stay home and away from other people. Governor DeSantis has ordered that all Florida restaurants are restricted to 50% capacity. Per the governor, diners should consider drive-through, takeout, or delivery options. The governor also ordered all Florida bars and nightclubs to be closed starting at 5 p.m. today and remain closed for the next 30 days to limit the spread of the coronavirus. We ask business owners to follow the governor's order or risk losing their liquor license. This order does not apply to restaurants that serve alcohol. However, restaurant capacity is reduced by 50%. As always, it is very important to look out for each other. Social distancing and avoiding crowds of 10 or more people is the best way to prevent the spread of this virus. If you don't need to have contact with others, then it is suggested that you stay home. Men and women of the Sheriff's Office are ready and prepared to serve and protect you during this time. To stay up to date with news from your sheriff's office, follow us on social media or visit flaglersheriff.com coronavirus. Watch for future updates.